In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your two-factor authenticator, okay, so that you can be able to secure your Gmail account much more better, okay, so you can make it much more secured by enabling the two-step verification. So to do that, you can come to, this is my Gmail, you can come to the top right at the profile picture, you can click and come to manage account, and you can see security over here. Can click, and then you can come all the way down here. You can see two-step verification, so you can click on this. This is going to enable you to always have to verify, so you can resign in. So once you resign in, you can now add your phone number, okay, to turn on the two-step verification. So you can just click and then you can add your phone number. So assuming I want to select my, okay, so you add, and then you can click on save, and your phone number is added. Okay, you are now protected with two-step verification, so you can say done. So whenever you want to log in, it might probably look out for your own authentication with your mobile phone. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.